What's going on, YouTube? We back with another video today. I'll be honest, I look a little crusty because this front bumper's been a pain, but we're gonna be installing some brand new headlights. I love my OEM with the Sea Light edition, but those are so much better, and I will show you right now. So here are the brand new, I think it's Hikari headlights. WRX Euro style with the white light on the side instead of the normal amber, which I hate. I could also get the tint too if I wanted, but I like those for right now. But here's how they are, pretty much. If you want to find out how to take off the headlights and everything, I will send you to my video where I took those off right there, and then I'll put that link in the description. We're gonna start right now from when we take the headlights already off of it. We're gonna put this, and then we're gonna install the headlights onto the car. All right, starting off, get these little fuse clips and pull out this 15. Where to get that 15 fuse. And then we're gonna put it on the added fuse, red wire right here. Sorry, trying to do this one-handed. Pretty much. Give me 1 second. After that, just go ahead and put the fuse in back where it was and route the wires just like this. I have these for my fog lights, so they're already organized, but I route them to where the shorter side is right here, and then the longer side is on the passenger side. Now let's move on to the other wires. Yeah, we're doing an unboxing, but pretty much I bought these off a good friend of mine. He gave me a really good deal. He actually just got them too, like October 2nd. And I mean, we installed on a different day, but Bruno gave it to me for a really good deal, and I couldn't oppose. They're also my favorite headlights, so I had to take them. But y'all don't care about that. Let's go ahead and go straight to the other wiring. All right, so then after that, you get the turn signal harness. Everything should be labeled. So this is steering harness, aka turn signals. So it should just clip right in like so. Oh, wrong side. It's this way. Just like that. And then after that, this goes this way. One or the other. Yep, this should be, it's not a tap. Everything's plug and play, and it goes straight to this. I only have this because of my fog lights. Y'all don't. It should just go straight to the turn signal, like that. Plug right in. So now, let's go ahead and copy this on the other side. After that, go ahead, plug in the turn signal harness from the headlights, then the red side right here, and then also this green tube. If you unplug it, it's non-sequential, and you plug it back in sequential. Our sequential fog lights, I'm gonna keep it sequential. But after that, you should just be able to plug this black piece right here into the gray area. And then what I'm gonna do is put a screw right here and then see if make sure everything works before I put the rest of the bolts back in. So I'll copy on the other side and I'll let y'all know. So I did all the wiring and everything works like that. I'm just gonna go ahead. Y'all see me do this plenty of times. So I'm just gonna go ahead, put everything back together, organize the wires, and then put the bumper back on, and then we'll do everything. But I found something out. If you want I'll show you later. If you want it to do the welcome thing, where so it goes this way, and it goes back up, and it fades in and out, then you plug this in. If you plug it in, then you don't get that feature, just to let y'all know. And obviously sequential and everything else. So yep, I will let y'all know whenever I'm done with it. All right, so I got the bumper back on the car, and here is what all the different light functions are for the car. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. My hair looks different. I got a haircut. Obviously, y'all can't tell. The fade is pretty decent. Thanks, Tiff, for the help today and everything. She helped me install the the headlights. And it was, I'm not gonna lie, at one point, the bumper's being kind of a pain because of the new lip. But everything looks good. Everything checks out. Everything fits. Everything works. You already know this car looks so good now. Let's just look at that. Looks so good. My favorite, one of my top 3 favorite headlights. Of course, of course, of course. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. If y'all like it, go down, like, subscribe. join the journey. Hit the bell notification when y'all get posted whenever I post a new video, and I'll see y'all later.